We're here at Carrier's World today, and I'm joined by James Hickman, CTO of Virtual1, who's been talking today at the conference around software-defined networking and if the work is really worth the benefits. James, can you tell us a bit more about how SDN benefits the customer as well as the provider?
Well, obviously there's some significant benefits to the provider because automation means you can reduce costs and it saves you a lot of complexity in the network. But the main benefits to the customer are obviously speed of delivery, because things are now going to happen a lot more quickly than they were before, rather than manual intervention. And also reduction in errors, because obviously without humans tapping command line stuff going in and the system taking control of everything, you've got a real simple, seamless delivery of services.
You mentioned automation. Does that mean less people in the workforce?
Yeah, always a contentious question, that one. So, well, we haven't really followed that sort of mantra. The idea for us is that if we can take away some of the kind of simple, repeated, fairly dull delivery type of services, so simple internet services, for example, then what you're left with is all the complicated stuff that customers ask for, especially at the last minute when those services are going in. We can really concentrate on those sorts of things. So we have engineers really doing more interesting stuff that they, to be honest, enjoy doing, and customers get a better service because we're more engaged with the kind of complex deliveries they need us to look at.
Okay, that sounds really interesting. So from your experience, what are the challenges and the benefits of integrating an SDN network?
Ooh, right, that's a good question. Well, first of all, you've got to simplify your product set, because if your products are complicated, then it's very, very difficult to automate it. You also need to make sure you've got a grasp on all of your information and your resources, so you know where your IP addresses are, your ports, and all your inventory of everything else. And once you've got all those things together, then you can actually look at working out the process of a standard delivery and how you'd automate that. I think one of the biggest challenges you'd find when you're trying to do this kind of thing, as certainly we did, was actually getting your head around where all the information is. So you can't keep things on spreadsheets anymore. Everything has to be on machine-readable databases. Once you've got that, then actually automating it is a fairly straightforward process. Quite well involved. You had lots of people running around and trying to contribute their piece to it. But once you get there, it's definitely worth the journey.
Great. Thank you very much.
Thank you.